Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the cabin air filter 2015 GMC Sierra. Locate the glove box, empty it, and release the dampener arm. Remove the glove box stops, lower the box fully, and expose the filter housing. Inspect the filter for debris and note airflow direction. Keep a tray for screws and take photos to aid reassembly. Work calmly and check seals when closing to avoid gaps and rattles. Start by supporting the glove box as you lower it, then detach the dampener arm with steady pressure. Unclip the filter housing cover and slide the old filter straight out to prevent spilling debris. Inspect the removed filter for excessive dirt or water, which can point to other issues. Clean the housing cavity with a damp cloth and vacuum if needed, ensuring no loose debris remains before inserting the new filter. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more car tips. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, a handy companion for hands-free music and timer reminders while you swap filters. It's small, affordable, and makes the job more enjoyable. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Check the replacement filter for correct fit and confirm the airflow arrow points toward the blower motor. Slide the new filter into the housing smoothly, avoiding bending or compressing it. Snap the housing cover back into place until you hear firm clicks on all clips. Reconnect the dampener arm, lift the glove box back onto its stops, and test the vents for proper airflow and noise. Dispose of the old filter responsibly and wash your hands.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.